Hi, everybody. I just wanted to have a brief conversation about our brains. I think that many of us know that our brains are a tool, and we use that tool to learn new skills when we're reading. Some of us might even be using it while we're driving. Sorry. But often we let the brain run on its own. So if you're not focusing on learning a new skill, a new task, your brain might be wandering off in places that you do not choose. Maybe you find yourself ruminating. You had a conversation with someone and you wish you would have said it differently, and your mind keeps going back. That's that brain running you. And I want you to learn to use the brain as a tool to help you. And you get to choose how that brain is used. And so I think of this analogy like a dog. You can have this dog that you've been training, right? And the dog can sit next to you and everything's wonderful. But as soon as you get distracted, that dog might roam off. It might start smelling the earth or maybe chasing a bunny. And our brain does that too, right? We find ourselves going down that rabbit hole, or we're drifting off, and we're allowing that person that maybe we had that conversation with to take up space in our brain. And we don't want that to happen. We don't want to allow that to happen. And so we want to start getting control of our brain and using it as the tool that it can be. And there's some practices. And so when you catch yourself, when you find yourself drifting off, thinking about that person, ruminating, stories being created, bring it back. Just like that dog, you would call that dog back to sit by your side. Bring your brain back. Choose to think of something different. Now, it sounds very simple, but with practice, it will become natural and it will become a bigger part of how the brain is used. And you will find that your brain will drift off a lot less often because now it is learning who is in control, and that's you.